Hey, Dr. Tagliarini. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and I came across your advertisements, so I thought it would be great to reach out to you and give you some tips that's really going to help you drive more new patients to your practice. So if we go over here to your website, you have a Google website. I did not see any other website for you. So you definitely do need to have a website built, not a business site on Google. This can help you to rank your Google My Business page, but you do need an actual domain with your own website, because nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So you do need to be able to optimize it to be able to capture those leads and convert them into your new patients. Google wants you to have a ton of content. Let's see. So we really don't have much here. So Google wants your homepage to have a ton of content. That's 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused around your local buyer intent keywords. So Santa Ana Chiropractic or migraine treatment Santa Ana, something like that. Something that your patients are actively searching for your treatments. I apologize for the air conditioner in the background. It's still really hot, so I apologize for that. So you do need a ton of content. Your homepage should be like a mini summary of your various different treatments or services with its own content and keywords. And then you do need to have separate pages, and I don't see any pages. So you need a separate page for every single treatment that you have as well. That way you can focus on the content and keywords to be found for each of those. So Google has little robots called crawlers that index your pages, and that's what helps them to rank you and put you in front of your customers. But a website by itself is still not going to be enough to be found online. It will have to be supported by SEO. But real quick, let's take a look at your top competitor organically. For the term Santa Ana Chiropractic. So the joint, it is a franchise, of course. So you don't have to compete against the whole franchise, just this specific location. And you're actually at an advantage because franchises don't let franchisees customize the websites. So you're at an advantage because you can actually customize your website to the proper keywords to capture the traffic. But this is their website. You can see that they're going after local keywords. They have a good amount of content. So in order to beat these guys, which would be super easy to do, you're going to have a lot more content and focus on those keywords, and then build your additional pages with the proper keywords. Again, you're going to need 250 words of content for every keyword that you want to rank for. Now, if we look here, this score is like this because you have a Google site. It's not really relevant in your case. You do need a lot more backlinks and referring domains. A referring domain is any website that provides a link to your website, and a backlink is the physical link coming from another website to your website. Google gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. Not all of these are created equal, so you want to make sure you're only getting authoritative ones which are directly related to your services, and to make sure that they are do follows, because then they will share the power of those higher sites and help you to rank faster. But you can see here you don't have any do follows, so really none of these are actually doing a whole lot to help you rank. You have been indexed for 7 keywords, and you are getting 4 people to your website thanks to your Google My Business page. Now, if we look at your keywords, you have one keyword on the first page of Google, and that's your practice. So that's okay. But everything else is past the first page. So anything beyond the first page of Google, you're not going to be found for. So you definitely need to get those backlinks and support your keywords with those backlinks to help them to rank to the first page of Google. If we look at your competitor, oops, what did I do? Sorry about that. What just happened? Looking at your competitor, we don't care about how their domain is. You're not competing with them. You're only competing with this location, and they have a 22. And that's because of their backlinks and referring domains. Out of those, only 12 of those are do follows. So you only have to beat those 12 referring domains in quantity and quality. And they have been over 100 keywords, and they're getting over 50 people to this one page of their website. So you definitely need to build out your website and optimize it so you can start capturing traffic. And these guys will be super easy for you guys to beat. And then the last part of this is this Google Maps section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of your patients go straight to the maps and won't search anywhere else. And so if you're not here, you send all those new patients to your competitors. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important are going to be citations. And that's going to be the name of your practice, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and Dex. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your competition. And when you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your services and treatments using those keywords supported by SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. I would love to get your feedback on it. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.